Right, we are back in Leamington Spa. We had to bring the car over here today, so we're having a quick look round where we did the other day, Jephson Gardens in Leamington Spa. And first of all, thank you for watching, liking, sharing and ringing a bell, and a special thank you to all those who have subscribed. And if you haven't subscribed and you'd like to, well, go ahead, give it a go, and you're going to make an old man happy, and I will consider it as a Christmas present, a lovely little subscription from your good self to me. There we are. What do you expect? It's the Rambling Rambler. There. That's all right, isn't it? Look at that. As you can see, a lot of the lake is frozen. Lake, pond really, I suppose, is frozen. And the ice is getting thicker and thicker. But the water is rippling away there, stopping some of it from freezing. Yeah, you can see some of it is quite thick. A couple of, well, about 5 centimetres. So somebody over there is getting covered in pigeons. Now I can see the next level is starting to freeze. Look, the birds are on it. Seagulls are on that bit, the next bit. So little by little, it's creeping out there further. You can see in the middle there, it's got a little blob of ice on the middle bits. So we'll go a little further. Oh, I've got to turn around and have a photo. There we are. Photo time. There she is. There she is, taking the photos. And our glasses have gone dark. We've both got the photochromatic lenses now, so it goes dark when you get UV. And even although this, as you can see, that's where the sun should be. Oh my word. And even although, oh my word, they're off. I don't know what sets these birds off, but every now and again, they've all gone up the trees. Here they come, look. Thousands of them, all going round in, oh good gracious, going round in circles. Yeah, they seem to all go wild at a certain time. Oh my word, they're coming for me. The birds, it's like Hitchcock, the birds. Oh my word. They're coming for me, look. The birds. Not another one. Wow. Good gracious. Look at them coming for me. Wow. Oh my word. This is like Alfred Hitchcock. Did you see that? The birds. Oh my word. Oh my word, there's lots of birds. Yes, well, what do you know? Now these are very wary of children. They'll come to me and walk right by my feet. Hello pigeons. They think I'm a pigeon now. Look, they're down near my feet. There's my feet, and there's the pigeons. Good grief, they're going round and round. Look at this lot. Down they come again. Oh my word, they're coming. I tell you what, this is like a scene from Alfred Hitchcock. The birds. Well, would you believe it? I've been attacked by the birds. Oh my word, they go, come on, come on. Oh, not again. Dear, dear, dear. This is a strange morning with a scene from Alfred Hitchcock. Oh my word. And me having the birds flying at me. They just landed on me. They're coming to me, I'm talking pigeon. I'm amongst my friends, there they all are. Yes, they all came. I called. One just landed on my shoulder, but there we go. Oh dear, careful. I love it. All the little birds. Isn't that lovely, look? Have you had enough of the pigeons? I wouldn't be surprised. But we'll, I think we better call it un jour. Call it a day. Oh, there, look. Right. So we're in the park, Jephson Gardens. In Leamington Spa, I should say Royal Leamington Spa. Here we go again. Oh my word, they must be doing food. So bye for now from the Rambling Rambler, and thank you so much for watching. It's Dave to his friends. Look at this.